Our mortgage calculator is a great resource for getting an estimate on how much you can expect to pay on a given home. We'll be using it in this video to help you understand how various savings or rate reductions can affect the monthly payment on a given home. Our mortgage calculator is available at every community and is pre-populated with the price, a down payment, and interest rate along with home insurance, HOA fees, if any, and property taxes. For this example, we're going to make the home price $550,000 and use a standard conventional down payment of 20% over a 30-year mortgage period. We're also going to make sure that we use consistent insurance payments, HOA fees, and property taxes so you can get as honest a comparison between these incentives as possible. These numbers differ at every community, but for this example, we'll pay $300 per month in insurance, $60 per month in HOA fees, and $800 per month in property taxes. Let's first look at what the monthly payment would look like without any savings or rate reductions applied. For both this example and when savings are applied, we'll use a flat interest rate of 7%. But keep in mind that interest rates are always going up and down, and the current market rate at the time you are watching this video may or may not be different. With no savings or rate reductions applied, you can expect an estimated monthly payment of $4,087. Next, we'll see what your payment might look like with the $50,000 in savings. With $50,000 in savings applied to the sales price, at a sales price of now $500,000, and all else being kept the same, you can expect to pay roughly $3,821 per month, or $266 less per month than without any savings applied. With the price of the home reduced by $50,000, you can also expect a lower down payment, in this case, $10,000 less than if it cost the full price of $550,000. Lastly, let's see how much you can expect to pay without the $50,000 in savings applied, but with the 4.99% interest rate. For this, the sales price will need to go back to $550,000. With the interest rate changed to 4.99%, your monthly payment should be around $3,519 a month, $302 less than you were paying with savings, and $568 less than no savings applied at all. These are all examples and should not be taken as an exact representation of how a reduced interest rate or savings may affect your monthly payment. But they might give you a better idea of why someone would opt for savings. They might want to pay less upfront and refinance later if interest rates go down, or why someone would opt for rate. The monthly payment is noticeably lower. Each community and home are different in what they offer, so it's best to contact one of our sales consultants to learn which programs are available and how they can affect your mortgage.